Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm so glad that you decided to click on the channel today. So go ahead, grab your favorite beverage of choice and a snack. Get comfortable because what I need you to do is watch this video from start to finish. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below because you know that's how you help your favorite content creator to grow. Let's go to the video. So this is video number 3 in my Spring Into It home decor series. And for my open concept spaces, the color choice, you guessed it, is a beautiful sage green. Keep watching while I put this room together. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. If you're new here, I say please don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Price is Pearl Life. I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. She tosses, it's up, and she scores! I ordered these beautiful, oh my goodness, these beautiful pillows from Wayfair. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. Oh, the perfect color. They're absolutely the perfect color. Now this is something you've never seen on YouTube. I'm cutting off the labels. Because guess what? I purchased them, they belong to me, and I can do whatever I want to do. So tomorrow's March 1st, and spring officially begins on March 20th. Are you ready to start the spring decorating in your home yet? Well, obviously I am. I'm so ready. It's 80-something degrees here in South Carolina, and we have about 10 feet of pollen. So I will do my best to link every every item, every piece down in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Breaking news. special announcement. Beginning April 1st, video uploads will be on Tuesday and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. That's right, I'm changing my upload schedule slightly. So it will be Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 o'clock p.m. I'll see you then.